welcome to Rod's Reviews and Demos. So this is my first time cleaning out home wrecker since I built it. I wanted to show you guys this. So you can see the inside looks pretty good. There is a little dust in there, but it's nothing serious. It's basically pretty clean in there. So what I did when I fired this thing up finally was I put these SilverStone filters on there, and look at the amount of dust that they collected. This is the intake for the unit, so you can see that these things are clearly doing their job, and I just wanted to do a little review on them, saying that they are awesome. So good job on those, SilverStone, and I'll post the model or whatever, you know, the link to where I got these things or what they are in the description of the video there. So yeah, these things are definite 2 thumbs up. They're awesome. So I definitely recommend them. So these are the filters after I clean them, the SilverStone filters. They're like metal screens, real fine screens. And you can see they're really plugged up. I'm actually thinking I should have cleaned them sooner, because over on this port in the back of the thing here, this panel here had a good bit of dust on it. So I believe those SilverStone filters got plugged up enough where the intake was coming from the other side. So I think you probably want to clean these things monthly, maybe bi-monthly, depending on your house. But yeah, it's definitely a good idea to keep them nice and clean, especially if you're water cooled and your radiator's on the other side. You got to have airflow through that to keep your CPU cool. So yeah, monthly cleaning on these SilverStone filters, or bi-monthly, something like that, to keep the flow at nice, safe levels. Appreciate y'all watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Cheers.